hope all are safe and good. This is Dhanalakshmi from Care3 Nutrition. Today's topic is about how to make your diet eco-friendly. Well, you could ask why you should make your diet eco-friendly. Because it has a lot of benefits in it. Number one is you can save a lot of money. It is very nutritious. You get all the very amount of nutrients you required throughout the year. And it benefits the farmers, it benefits the environment, right? So there are a lot of benefits in making your food eco-friendly. Now I'll tell you how you can make your diet eco-friendly. Some 5 easy ways to make your food eco-friendly. The first way is to always buy your fruits and vegetables from the local market.
Always buy your fruits and vegetables or your cereals and pulses from the local market, because we get it directly from the farmers nearby. So the food is fresh. Also the farmers are benefited directly without the middleman. In case if you buy it from the supermarket, they get these fruits and vegetables far away from different parts of the country, and thus it needs a lot of traveling. The food travels a lot of distance and then it reaches the supermarket. By the time it loses its freshness. So to keep the freshness, they might add some preservatives, so which is not again good for our body. So these are some reasons why I ask you to always buy local food products.
The second important way is to have seasonal fruits. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are very, very beneficial.
Different fruits and vegetables have different vitamins and minerals at different times of the year. Your body also needs different nutrients. So when you are eating a particular food in a season, you get the complete nutrition of that particular food. That is what your body's biological clock also needs. So always go seasonal.
The third important way is to have as much as low on the food chain as possible.
The reason why is that the lower you eat on the food chain, the less energy that is put into the food for it to be created. For example, if you eat a piece of meat, that meat has to eat a whole lot of grains or plants in order to grow. So, lower you eat on the food chain, the more thoughtful you are being about the resources that you are consuming. You can feed more people with 10 kilos of rice than you can with 10 kilos of meat. You can think in that way. So I would recommend you to eat meat once or twice in a week instead of every day.
The fourth important way is to have as much as very few packed foods. This is one important point that you have to always keep in mind.
Go for less processed foods and try to make fresh food every meal. We know processed foods have a lot of chemicals added in it, which is not good. I've already shared you a video about this in detail. You can just go through that video once. Moreover, when you buy a fresh fruit or a vegetable instead of a packed one, the farmers are also benefited directly.
The fifth way is to eat according to the region.
Try consuming your own regional food where you live. This is because again the local farmers are benefited and they start growing more food, which is again beneficial for our environment, and also we get the food fresh. Last but very important way to keep your food environmentally healthy is to go organic. No chemicals, no pesticides, thus no harm to the environment while growing the food organically. So support and eat organic foods.
Hope I've given you useful information and hope you follow the points and keep yourself healthy and also support our farmers. Thank you.